Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this video we are going to learn how to trade on StumbleGuys. So without further ado, let's find out. So as you can see, this is the interface of the game, and what I want to tell you is there is no direct way to trade on StumbleGuys. So I will tell you a trick that you can use so that you can trade like the skins and everything, whatever you want, with your friends or whoever you want to trade with. So as you can see, there is no direct way to trade. So what you can do is you can go to the Play Store and then buy the gift card, or if you have like Apple Play, you can just go ahead and buy Apple Play gift card, and then go to the Play Store and redeem that code and use that code in the shop section, and you can just buy it from here. So I will show you how you can do that. Let's go to home, go to your browser, and then simply just type I will just type Google Play gift card. You can also type Apple Play and go to the verified link, Play Store gift card. So click on this link, so select your country from here. As my country is India, I will just go to this section and click on where to buy, and according to your country it will give you the options to pay. So just simply buy it, and then what you have to do is you have to come to your Play Store or your Apple Play. Once you come here, click on your profile icon and then click on your payment and subscription, and as you can see this option here, redeem code, you have to just simply type the code, or you can just scan the gift card from here. So that way then you can go to your shop, or your friend, you can go to the shop and just buy it. So you can share the number or the gift card with them, and they can just go ahead in their Play Store and then put that code there and buy anything they want from here, not just skin